Hi guys, this is the way we stack our bales in our farm here in New Zealand.
Just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay them, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, if you think you're stopping me, I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No advance of bust, don't try to ask him why, how can he? From infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still sitting. Whether he's on salary, paid happily until he battles out of me. Shit just battles out of him. Whatever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a puppet for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Say you know that you're not alone. If you feel like you've been down the same road, and cut the crap. I shouldn't have to rhyme these words in the rhythm for you to know it's a rap. You said you was king, you lied through your teeth. For that, fuck your feelings. Instead of getting crowned, you're getting capped. And to the fans, I never let you down again, I'm back. I promise to never go back on that promise. In fact, let's be honest, at last relax. CD was aired, perhaps I ran them accents into the ground. Relax, I'm going back to that now. All I'm trying to say is get back to black cloud. I ain't playing around. It's a game called circle, and I don't know how. The way you walk to back down. Blood fingers still trying to figure this crap out. Thought I had a mad time, but I guess I didn't. This fucking black cloud still follows me around, but it's time to exercise. These demons, these motherfuckers are doing jumping jacks now. I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm, whatever weather, cold or warm. Say you know that you're not alone. If you feel like you've been down the same road, to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You have seen me through. Don't even realize what you did. So I could come back a brand new me through the ring. I take it too little to the middle finger. I think go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay them, but you won't take the sting of these words before I say them. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it. I'll get you there. You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper